No, I had it
It's
on
a
50,
cold,
and then
wet
it got down to like it was cold in there,
January
it wasn't
day.
rising, so then I
So what do you do on a cold, wet January day? Smoke a pizza. So that dough has been what, in the oven?
Yeah. Well, 150, so it would rise. It was really high. As soon as you take it out, it sinks in.
Okay, do the punch thing.
Oh.
Do you do it right away?
Yeah.
Like now?
Sure. It was about this tiny. And it's only been in there, not even an hour, actually.
There it goes, it's sucking down. Not too dramatic.
Maybe
You're
not.
going to take that thing, put it on the peel, transfer it to the cookie sheet, and then put it in the fridge.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, do you need some help?
For me?
Yeah, it might be better with some more hands.
Okay, you're putting it on this thing.
Yeah,
Okay, go ahead and put it on there.
Now you're going to put it on there and put it in the fridge. Huh.
You may not want to video this. Seriously, it's gonna get ruined.
At least hold it the bottom. Be helpful there. There we go.
There, that looks good. It's a pierogi.
So bad.
This is the Italian way to do it.
Yeah, it looks fine.
There's
It
no
doesn't
problem
matter.
with this thing. It's got a hole, but. All right, let's cool that down.
Oh, good idea. Hand it off to this one. You put it in over there.
She's disgusted with.
I put an umbrella out here, so I'm gonna get a little bit of runoff from over here, but I should be okay. I think I'll survive. Oh, a manual pickup.
Yep.
Set it on the pizza
And we're
peel.
just gonna oil it. This is a pretty big pizza.
Well, it
Might not
got
fit
a
on
little
the
stretched out.
Yeah, it's fine.
stone.
Oh, looks
Just make the
beautiful.
crust bigger.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna start up the Traeger now. Plugged in. Pellets. Turn it on. Hit the menu button. Turn it up to 450 degrees for the pizza. Ignite. Oh, push that button first. I always forget that. Now, ignite. And it'll start up after a few cycles. Remember to put your pizza stone in here while everything is cold so that everything can preheat. The stone can preheat with the Traeger. It's only 50 degrees in there right now. We gotta get to 450. Can we do it? The neighbors don't call the fire department. So you're putting mozzarella cheese on there and Parmesan cheese around the edge?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because it kind of melts onto the crust and it's so delicious. Oh,
you like it that way?
Yeah, it gets all crispy and it's like a Parmesan potato chip.
Parmesan.
Oh, so yummy.
Parmesan.
Kind of hope you do get a little bit of that on the side. All right, I don't know. What do you think? Is that enough? Cheese?
I have to put some flour on this thing.
Not too much.
Okay. Not too much though. This is pizza number 3. Last time I put a little bit too much flour on here. It didn't ruin it, but there was a lot of flour on the bottom.
You're getting to the too much.
It made the bottom not as crispy.
That is the exact same you did last time.
No, it isn't. That's really good. That's a beautiful.
Okay, I'm gonna go get the pizza.
All right.
The
pizza pie.
Pizza pie.
Pizza peel.
We've got some smoky.
We have a pizza pie on a pizza peel.
We've got smoky filet mignon, garlic, grilled garlic.
We smoked that filet mignon. Now we're thinking that this pizza pie is going to stick this time.
To the pizza peel.
So we really want to get it from over there.
Oh.
It's okay.
Wait, Dad, put it up. I can't do it. You're going down too low. Don't let it touch the bottom. Okay, wait.
This does not look too good.
Okay, ready? Okay, yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, help. I don't know what's happening.
So do.
Oh my gosh, this is hideous. Got it here, let me do it. Okay, go.
Go what? Okay, we're making progress. So we had a little trouble getting the pizza off the pizza peel, but we're okay.
I don't know what we would do. I don't know. Where did it come from? Oh no, it's gone.
It's been about 25 minutes. I'm going to take a quick peek. Oh, it's getting there. It's close. It's been 30 minutes. And I think we're going to take this pizza off. Oh yeah, I think that looks... Oh, it's crunchy.
Looks good.
Alright, it's coming off. Oh, stick. Oh, that's where it split. We had a little trouble loading it. There we go. Should I tilt it more? Meat really cooked.
Uh-oh. Should we put it on after?
I don't know. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful.
Double smoked
It
steak.
looks wet. Oh, it tastes good. Wow. Oh man, that filet mignon.
Okay.
Yummy. We're trying to figure out if we want pineapple. Are you going to have pineapple, Mama?
Well, I mean, we've never had steak with pineapple, but
We've never had steak.
we never had a steak pizza.
Filet mignon steak pizza. We got enough pineapple.
Dada, do you want pineapple?
I'll take pineapple.
All right, we'll do
I
pineapple.
like pineapple. Okay, that's a fully loaded pizza. It's got the pineapple and the green onions put on by the pizza maker extraordinaire and the helper. Who's the helper and who's the...
Smoked. That's double smoked filet mignon.
Oh, make sure you do it down the center, right in the middle where we have to throw it out. How do you like the pizza, Mama?
It was so good. I love the steak. The flavor and the pizza crust turned out amazing. It's so good.
This pizza has smoked filet mignon that we cooked, I think, last night.
Yes.
It has grilled onions and bell pepper and what else?
We have green bell pepper, onions, garlic, green onions, the steak, which actually has like a crispy, real smoky, yummy flavor. Parmesan in the crust, mozzarella in the crust, yellow and red bell peppers.
Nice.
Yum, yum, yum.
Really yummy.
That's it?
Oh yes.
Just really yummy? That's all you have to say?
It has really good meat. Really good everything on it. It's like a fajita pizza. Really good. I like it.
What did you say?
Mmm.